AKINSOFT QR menu extra definitions. If you want to offer an extra option to your customers with your product, you can use the extra definition feature. First of all, we need to create extra option data. Then, we will choose which extra options definitions we want these extra options data to be in those definitions. For this, click on the extra options data button from the product management list. Click the Add Extra Option Data button from the window that opens. Name the option data in the window that opens. If you wish, you can connect this option data to any product from the product name field. After making your changes, press the Save button. If you want to edit or delete the option data you have created later, you can do it again with the Edit and Delete buttons on the screen, or you can disable any definition from the status column. Click the Extra Options button from the Product Management list to connect the option data you created to an extra definition. Click the Add Extra Option button from the window that opens. Name your description and enter a description if you wish. You can connect the option data you created before to this extra definition. After making your changes, click the Save button to save. If you want to edit or delete the extra definitions you have created later, you can do it again with the Edit and Delete buttons on the screen, or you can disable any definition from the status column. Click the Products button from the Product Management list to match the definition you have created with the product. Press the Edit button on the screen that opens, and click on the Select an Extra Option list from the Extra Options tab, and select your extra definition. After your selection, the extra and option data information you defined will come. In this area, you can choose which option data you will offer as an option for your product from the checkbox next to them. The option data you selected will be active. If you wish, you can also sort the option data from the Drag to Sort button. From the first column, you can choose whether the selection will affect the price, plus or minus. From the second column, you can choose the amount that will affect, and from the last column, you can choose the selection type of the option. Default is a selectable option. The marked option is selected when the product is added, and you can disable it. Mandatory is selected and cannot be interfered with. You can specify how many selections can be made from the count field. You may want to deactivate these options you have created for a certain period of time. For this, you must set the active option to passive. If you wish, you can make this extra definition mandatory. For this, the mandatory section must be active. You can also click the Add Extra Option button to create a new extra definition.